Hi guys, I wanted to give you a heads up about what's coming for the rest of the week. I know you all know about assignment 7, which is the end of our unit, but I wanted to take a minute to talk about assignment 8 and moving forward. So assignment 8 is a big assignment. This is our career exploration, and it's kind of a unit all in itself in one assignment. So it's a little bit longer than some of our other assignments, and it's worth 10% of your course grade. For this reason, I've just gone ahead and changed the due date, and I'm going to make this due on Friday. You know, usually we have a Monday, Wednesday, Friday assignment sequence, but because this is a little bit longer, I want to give you a little bit more time to work on it. And so you can turn this in on Wednesday, or you can turn it in by Friday. But just know that assignment 9 is also going to be due on Friday as well. Assignment 9 is the beginning of our next unit. So careers itself is one quick unit. And then our next unit begins with assignment 9. There's a video in that assignment to talk more about assignment 9 and moving forward. But I just wanted to give you a heads up on this career exploration. For this one, you'll be looking at kind of a couple career inventory sites and then picking one career to research. You'll see on the assignment here, and then I've given an example of the assignment that I did myself looking up careers. And so you can look at also at my example to kind of know what's expected. And of course, there's a reading in chapter 8 on career exploration. As always, if you have any questions, make sure to reach out for me. But I wanted to definitely just give you a heads up about this assignment 8 and letting you know about the change in the due date. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.